Hello, everybody. Welcome to Greg's Beer Reviews. Let's go see what's in the fridge today. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Greg's Beer Reviews today. Thanks so much for stopping by. I do appreciate it. Today's beer comes from Treehouse Brewing. This is their Wanderer. And I can't tell what the guy is standing on top of a Jeep looking out. Yeah, it looks like he's drinking a cup of coffee or something. Looks like he's out for a nice camping trip. Guys, this is a Hales Lager, coming in at 5%. I don't usually buy lagers, and I usually don't buy 5% beers. Uh, but this was sent to me by Pat, and I appreciate him picking it up and sending it to me to try for you guys. And on the bottom it says, just keep trucking. And this was put in the can 0914 of 20. So it's past its 3-month shelf life, but it is what it is. I review them as they come in, guys. So we shall see what this brings to the table. Treehouse is up in Massachusetts. Uh, no IBUs. Says here on Untapped Wanderers, our unfiltered German-style Hales Lager, a meticulously high technical beer brewed with utilizing traditional techniques and ingredients. Wanderer is crisp, bright, and immensely enjoyable. Wanderer pours a brilliant straw color in the glass with a puffy, bright foam. It carries a flavor profile of doughy malts like straw, clean lager yeast, and just the right dash of zippy noble hops. Beers that command your attention are a wonderful thing. Beers that can fade into the background and sort of be an unspoken companion to celebratory moments in life are also a wonderful thing and deserve to be held in equally high esteem. As a crisp, highly drinkable, and beautifully executed beer, Wanderer fits this profile beautifully. And being a 5%er, it's a good session beer, guys. Good lawnmower beer, probably. Uh, and since we're here in wintertime, maybe a good snow shoveling beer or something to that aspect, since we're not cutting any grass this time of the year. But anyway, we shall see what this has to offer. Like I said, we don't have the IBU, so we got the date and we got the ABV, and that's the two things that we need to make a good purchase. So I brought out the lager glass, and we're going to see what this Wanderer is all about. Here we go, into the glass. A lot of times these lagers, especially in this glass, pour a big monster head, so I'm not going to pour it too super aggressive. We may be able to get it all in the glass. There we go. Right at a finger of head on there. That's a good looking beer. A nice amber color, a lot of bubbles streaming up. I can see the light right through it. Good looking beer for a lager. To the nose we go. Yep, smells like a lager to me. A little bit of grassy graininess or straw. A little bit of spicy notes. Smells pretty clean, pretty crisp. Probably be a real refreshing beer. And being 5%, one that you could have several of them if you wanted to. So let's dive in. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, Pat. Thank you. Very smooth, very easy drinking, a nice, crisp, well-made beer. Very tasty. No adjuncts or fillers or any kind of crazy stuff like the macros throw into theirs. Good quality beer. Nice and tasty. Well, it's right out of the fridge, guys. Let's go sip on it and see what we end up with. Alright guys, I'm back. Got a little left here. Nice slicing is left on the glass. This is a tasty lawnmower beer. And I don't say that derogatory. A very low ABV where you can have multiples and not be too inebriated. Tasty beer. Not something that I would probably purchase for myself because I don't buy a lot of lagers or pilsners or anything like that anymore. I drank those style of beers for 30 plus years. They don't have quite enough taste for this guy. So, final show. That's a tasty beer, guys. It is very well made beer. Very clean, very crisp, very tasty. 90 for me on this one, guys. It is definitely into the A category as far as I'm concerned. Over to Beer Advocate, they also have 90 in their outstanding range. And over final check-in for Untappd, they have the 3.87, which is in their B plus range. I'm more in line with Beer Advocate on this one than I am Untappd. Usually I'm the other way around, but this particular beer, I think it's into the A category, and that's where I put it. So if you've had the Wanderer from Treehouse Brewing, let me know what you think. Till we meet again, let's go see what's in the fridge.